Yeah, this is your man Tete, aka Boom. Yeah, today um we are about to learn the Djembe number 9. Minasan Tete the skill wa Djembe number 9. Oh go man. Die Q. Die Q. So Q wa Djembe die Q. No, this Kyomo ne Tanoshiku Yadima show Tanoshiku. Let's enjoy the Djembe number 9. And this is how it goes. So let's enjoy it. Minasan ko you kanji not read it, ne? Yeah, I know this is not much difficult because you've been following me and we've been playing from 1 to 8 and this is the 9th. Minasan, korewa zetai muskashi janai to omoimasu ne. Cuban dakedo ishoni ne. Ishoni ichikara hachimade tataite tanara. Kiwa zetai ni dekiru to omoyu ne. Dekiru to omoyu. So let's go slowly. Yukuri yadimasho. Yukuri. Slowly, it's just bass, slap, and tone. Minasan, bass, slap to tone. Ne? Bass, slap, tone, slap. So no me to know auto de mazete ya teta. Ne? It's just the three basic sound: the bass, slap, and tone. And we get that reading. So it's your turn now to, don't let me forget, if you are first person, if you are this is your first time to be part of my channel or watching me, please try to subscribe so that we will all enjoy learning together. Subscribe and turn the notification button on so that anytime I will send a video, you also be the first person to see it, so we all can learn and enjoy music together. Minasan moshi ajimete no kata dattara toroku shite kudasai. So shitara sono beru no tokoro o sodemo shite tsugi no video o morau yoni ka mirareru yoni shite kudasai. Yeah, so this is the rhythm, and try to get it so you also can take your djembe to the park. It's getting to summer and it's no spring, then we get to summer, so you can enjoy playing some rhythms outside. Yes, So I will see you with the number 10 very soon. Bye bye. Minasan sayonara.